Let's learn about food chains through these 3 cool food chain cutouts. You will need scissors, coloring pens, and a pen or pencil. We have 3 food chain cutout templates: a lion, a cat, and a chicken. The first step is to complete each food chain. So for the lion food chain, it starts with grass. What eats the grass? I wrote down a rabbit, but you can write down any other animal that you can think of that will eat grass. What will eat the rabbit? Maybe a fox. And in between, I've also tried to draw each of the animals. Be creative and draw the animals and color them in using your coloring pens. Then finally, what will eat the fox? A lion will eat a fox. Repeat step 1 for the other 2 cutouts, the chicken and the cat cutout. I'm not a very good artist because you can see that my chicken might look like a dinosaur instead of a chicken. Once you have completed each food chain, take your scissors and cut along the edge of the food chain cutout. Be careful when using your scissors because they are sharp and they can cut you. Now it's time to fold. So where the green arrows are is where you will fold. Once you have created all of your folds, you can now create your final food chain cutout. Basically, you will have to ensure that the top half of the cat connects to the bottom half of the cat by folding it in a type of zigzag motion, like this. There we have it, our first food chain cutout. Now you can open it to see what the food chain of a cat might be. You can repeat these steps for the chicken and the lion cutouts. now you can go show your friends how food chains work and how the energy is transferred in a food chain. Well done!